Galantamine Hbr is a medication used to treat mild to moderate confusion, dementia, related to Alzheimer's disease. While it does not cure Alzheimer's disease, it may improve memory, awareness, and the ability to perform daily functions. This medication works by restoring the balance of certain natural substances, neurotransmitters, in the brain. The recommended daily dosage of Galantamine Hbr varies depending on the individual's needs and medical condition, so it's important to follow your doctor's instructions. It is usually taken with meals, and the optimal timing for taking this medication should be discussed with your healthcare provider. When taking Galantamine Hbr, it is important to follow your doctor's directions. Typically, you will take this medication twice a day with your morning and evening meals. Be sure to drink plenty of fluids unless your doctor tells you otherwise. Your doctor will gradually increase your dosage to reach the target dose, based on your medical condition and how you respond to the treatment. If you are using the liquid form of this drug, follow the instructions that come with the bottle and use the measuring device that comes with the product to measure out your dose. Mix your dose in about 4 ounces, 120 milliliters, of a non-alcoholic beverage, stir, and drink the entire mixture. If you have any questions, ask your pharmacist for clarification. If you stop taking galantamine for longer than 3 days, your doctor may direct you to restart at a low dose and gradually increase your dose to reduce your risk of side effects. Make sure to follow your doctor's instructions carefully. In order to get the most benefit from this medication, use it regularly and do not stop taking it or increase the dosage unless your doctor tells you to do so. It may take at least 4 weeks of continued use before the full benefit of this drug takes effect. If your condition worsens, be sure to inform your doctor. Side effects of Galantamine Hbr may include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, dizziness, drowsiness, loss of appetite, and weight loss. If any of these effects persist or worsen, inform your doctor or pharmacist promptly. It's important to remember that this medication has been prescribed to you because your doctor has determined that the benefit to you outweighs the risk of side effects. Many people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. However, you should contact your doctor immediately if you experience any serious side effects, such as unusually slow heartbeat or difficult urination. Seek medical help right away if you have very serious side effects, including seizures, black or bloody stools, vomit that looks bloody or like coffee grounds, severe stomach or abdominal pain, fast or irregular heartbeat, severe dizziness, or fainting. While a serious allergic reaction to this drug is rare, seek medical help right away if you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, such as rash, itching or swelling, especially of the face, tongue, or throat, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you notice any other effects not listed above, contact your doctor or pharmacist. If you are in the US, you can report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before taking galantamine, it's important to discuss any allergies you may have with your doctor or pharmacist. It's also important to share your medical history, especially if you have liver or kidney problems, stomach or intestinal issues, heart problems, breathing/lung problems, seizures, or problems urinating. This medication may make you dizzy or drowsy, so it's important to avoid alcohol or marijuana while taking it. This drug may also affect the heart rhythm, so it's important to talk to your doctor about any heart problems or conditions you may have. It's also important to discuss any other medications you may be taking that could affect the heart rhythm. It's important to talk to your doctor before having surgery while taking galantamine. Older adults may be more sensitive to the side effects of this drug. During pregnancy, this medication should only be used when clearly needed, and it's important to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. It's also important to consult your doctor before breastfeeding while taking this medication. It's important to be aware of potential drug interactions with Galantamine Hbr, as they can affect how the medication works and may increase the risk of serious side effects. Keep a list of all the medications and herbal products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Do not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. There are certain medications that can affect the removal of galantamine from your body, which in turn may impact its effectiveness. Examples include amitriptyline, azole antifungals, such as ketoconazole, quinidine, SSRI antidepressants, such as paroxetine, among others. Be sure to consult your healthcare provider about any potential interactions with galantamine. If someone has taken too much galantamine Hbr and is experiencing severe symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it is important to seek immediate medical help by calling 911 or a poison control center. Symptoms of overdose may include muscle weakness or twitching, severe stomach cramping, slow or shallow breathing, slow/fast/irregular heartbeat, fainting, and seizures. It's important for both US and Canada residents to know that they can contact their local poison control center for assistance. It is important to note that galantamine Hbr should not be shared with others. It may cause loss of appetite and weight loss, so it is important for your doctor to monitor your weight before and during treatment with this medication. Always follow your doctor's advice and instructions when taking galantamine Hbr. If you forget to take a dose of galantamine Hbr, take it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, just skip the missed one. Take your next dose at the usual time. Don't take double the dose to make up for the missed one. When it comes to storing galantamine Hbr, it's important to keep it at room temperature, away from light and moisture. Avoid storing it in the bathroom or freezing it. Make sure to keep all medications out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to discarding galantamine Hbr, do not flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. Instead, properly discard the product when it is expired or no longer needed. If you're unsure about how to do this, consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.